Nick Cave, I think it is. Who can know the thoughts of Mary Jane? Why she flies or goes out in the rain? Where she's been, who she's seen in her journey to the stars. Who can know the reason for her smile when they've journeyed for a mile? The way she sings and her brightly colored rings make her the princess of the sky. Who can know what happens in her mind? Did she come from a strange world, leave her mind behind? Her long lost sighs and her brightly colored eyes tell her story to the wind. So who can know the thoughts of Mary Jane? What she flies goes out in the rain. Where she's been, what she's seen in her journey to the stars. Who can know the thoughts of Mary Jane? Nice little one, eh? He's good, that guy. He was, yeah, he's like he's got some serious stuff. He died early, but he could play, and he'd care, like, I liked him. It doesn't mean I'm, sold an awful lot. I liked him. He's got music. He wrote his own stuff. He's original. You know, he wrote his own stuff, and he's a nice player. Like, he definitely played really good guitar and uniquely. Like, you know, I don't know much about his training. I never met the guy. He died. He died. I don't know if he's 70 days, but he had severe mental condition, and he just it happens, and that was that. And it's a pity because he wrote some good stuff. Now, careful if you go out and buy any of his stuff. A lot of it's been butchered by producers and stuff like so. And I would also ask. He does say in all his writings that it shouldn't be reproduced for commercial use. I would be a big believer in that as wish. I mean, you know, I like singing his songs, so that's why I'm fucking singing them. I don't have any notions about anything else about it, like, you know. Apart from you saying that that's the best rendition I've ever heard of that, and that's probably true because I am pretty cool, but like, I don't want, you know what I mean? Fuck that. And it's just a nice song, you know. Who can know the thoughts of Mary Jane? Why she flies or goes out in the rain? You know, where she's been and who she's seen in her journey to the stars. Who can know the reason for her smile? What are her dreams when they've journeyed for a mile? That's the way she sings, and her brightly colored rings make her the princess of the sky. You know, it's just a really simple, nice little ditty. Nick Drake, he's good, man. Not Nick Cave now. He's probably cool as well, but so what else forgot? I basically, I'm going through some stuff that I wrote down in you know, okay, last night I didn't get to the end of this one, so this one's going on now. Okay, cool. So I am at some point going to go on and do album covers. So what else should I be? All apologies. What else could I say? Everybody's gay. What else could I write? I don't have the right. What else should I be? All apologies. In the sun, I feel as one. In the sun, married, buried. I wish I was like you, easily amused. Find my nest of salt, whatever the fuck that means. Everything's my fault. I take all the blame, accuracy from shame. Sunburned, freeze or burn, choking on the ashes of her enemy. In the sun, in the sun I feel as one. In the sun, in the sun. Marriage. I always thought that was Mary. It's actually married. Well, this could be wrong. It's from the fucking internet. I always thought it was Mary. Married, buried. And I've actually never called married, so I could be married. All in all is all we are. All in all is what we are. You know, just one thing on that, like, I mean, it's a great album. It's okay. It's okay. I haven't heard it in a long time. It's you know, it's definitely, I don't know about this guy. I mean, it's hard to know. I mean, I hope it's not as simple as Sid and Nancy. I mean, I don't know. What was her name again? The one that he was out with. I don't know. Look, it's just unexplainable what goes on with what you know. He must have been so sick, and I really feel sorry for him. I mean, you know, to have done that. I mean, like, what the fuck? And he sure had talent. I mean, there's no question there. He had a lot to say, but he's a bit of a moany fucker too. I mean, you know, I don't know how that would have gone from, you know? I mean, in those days it was different. I mean, you know, you got on MTV, you were going places, and there was a big scene around Seattle at the time. That first song was fucking amazing. What is it? I mean, it's that would fill a dance floor. It was like, it was pure rock and roll. And there was a really cool MTV video, and it was all teenage angst. It was like real stuff. If you're a teenager, that stuff was like, with the lights out, it's just dangerous. You know, everyone was. It's basically what it's like when you're that age. You know, it was all that, like, so that was a cool song. I'm trying to find out what else is on it, because obviously loads of people think they're the shit, and I Nina Simone's the shit. Bob Marley's the shit. You know, Otis Redding's the shit. Rick Astley is the shit. He is. Rick Astley. He's fucking amazing. He's never going to give you up, you know. You know, so's Peter Gabriel, man. He is amazing. And there will be Peter Gabriel. But if you're, you know, it's the way it is. And it's whatever you think and whatever you got to get out of it. You're lucky that you've a better chance of being conceived than you have of actually listening to me ever in your life. There's so much shit out there. So remember that. You've got like, I think 1 in 10,000 chance of actually you being even born. You've less chance of ever coming across me. So you should really feel yourself lucky, because like, Tommy on Cockler, you know, I'm the shit, boy. And Never Mind album. No, I'm not that good, so don't worry. You can, you know, I'm not amazing or anything, but you know, but you're lucky to be here. You should you know, congratulations, you're here. You know, and you're lucky. To listen to me. I mean, Never Mind. Here it goes. Okay, I've got it here. I'm using a computer down here right now. I might just bring that up there a bit because you're not really seeing much of me, are you? That's better. Hey. Origin of the term. It was a grunge thing. I mean, look, Wikipedia just is about fucking say this. I just want track list plays, bitches. It was definitely rock. The drummer in the drummer was your man. He's everywhere now. The Foo Fighters guy. Fair play to him. He was proper muso. I actually I know a guy from Dublin. It's a cool story about getting that close to going on tour with Foo Fighters. I think it is Foo Fighters. I met David Grohl in San Diego in 1997 in a bar. I did. And he was alright about it. Bought drinks. I bought him a drink. What was he doing? But he did buy more. But he never said he was David Grohl. He never gave it that, like, you know. Never gave it that one. And the bar was a real dive, like, you know. It was like the Tivoli bar in San Diego. It was like the people knew it, but like it was kind of like, no, he wasn't hanging out, and no one was hanging out too. He was just being Dave. But he was the drummer in that band, and you know, he liked music. He was into stuff. I mean, I bored the face off him talking about techno. I'd say he just sort of, well, man, I never really did that. But I'm glad he didn't bore the fuck out of me out of his rock and roll, because I'd say he would. I mean, look, be careful when you meet your idols. You know, I mean, he wasn't even my idol. You know, it was only when someone told me who he was about 3 days later, I went, okay. So I wasn't that upset about it. You know, as I say, I'm not a particularly big. My computer's leaped forward to grunge rather than just fucking the album. Never mind. Okay, Smells Like Teen Spirit, Come As You Are. Okay, that's a very popular one. And there's Liom in blue. I can't remember what Liom goes like. Come. It's a big bass riff. Bum, bum, bum. Come as you are, as you be, as a long memory. Don't like it. Sorry. As a friend. And you know I don't have a gun for me. What is America's weapons? It's not great. So to know. What's that one about? Oh yeah, we sang that the other day. If you missed it, this one's for you. And you know, Abraham, no one's gonna stop us. April moon, one star shining down on me. I heard that tune, now I'm pining. Honey, can't you see? Every time I hear that melody, something breaks inside. And the grapefruit moon, one star shining, you know, it just can't call back the tide. I never had destination, could not get across. And babe, you became my inspiration. Oh, but at what a cost. Every time I hear that melody, something breaks inside. And the grapefruit moon, one star shining, you know, it's more than I can hide. I'm smoking cigarettes and I strive for purity. And I slip just like the stars into obscurity. And every time I hear that melody, something breaks inside and puts me up a tree. And the grapefruit moon, One star shining, you know, it's all that I can see. J'adore. Every time I hear that melody, something breaks inside. And the grapefruit moon is all that'll never turn back the tide.
Gaire gracio.
Scusi, eh? Gaire.
Io vero sono pazzo.
Vero.
Sono pazzo, eh?
Vero.
Buenas noches, eh?
Have a bleeding good evening, right? Take it easy there now. Do what you gotta do. Bye. Good night. Say it easy. Get out. Bye. Bye. Thank you very much.